we are going to talk about one of the most trending class of drug, one of the most magical drug used as anti-diabetic drug. These drugs are so magical, it acts as both renoprotective and cardioprotective. These drug of class is known as sodium glucose co-transporter 2 inhibitors, means SGLT2 inhibitors. Before knowing about these drugs, let's know some basics. Normally, glucose was getting reabsorbed by renal tubules. On these renal tubules, there are present protein receptors known as sodium glucose co-transporters. The work of these protein receptors was to reuptake or co-transport back glucose to blood stream with sodium. And these have also two types, SGLT1 and SGLT2. SGLT1's work was to reabsorb 10% of glucose and SGLT2 receptors was basic work was to reabsorb 90% of glucose. Means to co-transport 90% of glucose back to blood stream with sodium. Now what these SGLT2 receptor inhibitors do? These block this receptor. Which receptor? SGLT2 receptor. Mean it does not allow now SGLT2 receptors to retake or reabsorb back glucose to the blood stream, or it does not allow it to co-transport back glucose to blood stream with sodium. Now here comes that if SGLT2 inhibitors don't allow SGLT2 receptors to reabsorb back glucose to blood stream. Now question here comes that where does glucose go then? The glucose passes through the urine, means it makes our urine glycosuria. Now talking about the benefits of SGLT2 inhibitors. First benefit is that it acts as renoprotective drug. Second, it acts as cardioprotective drug. Third, you already know that it manages our blood pressure. And fourth, it maintains our blood sugar level. Now what are its side effects? First side effect is it causes UTI. Second is it causes fungal infection.